Hey everyone, Tawan here. In today's conference tracker in a nutshell, I want to talk about custom fields. Custom fields are one of my favorite pieces of conference tracker, and they'll make your conference managing life much easier. If you actually need them, that is. But if you do, they're amazing. Let me try to show you what they do. Let's go into an attendee's profile real quick. You'll notice that we have some default fields here already, like city, state, zip code, and title. However, that's kind of all we have. And maybe for your conference, you need to collect more information about your attendee than that. That's where custom fields come into play. You can create a custom field, call it whatever you want, and then store the information you need in that custom field in your attendee profile. For example, let's say I need to know each attendee's favorite dinosaur. I could set a field in their profile, call it favorite dinosaur, and I'd be able to put their favorite dinosaur in their profile. Honestly, it's probably easier if I show you. So here's how you actually activate custom fields. Let's go back to the home page. Scroll down to settings. Now click on custom fields. You'll see that we have 10 available custom fields. 5 of them are for user profiles, and the other 5 are for session profiles. And yeah, you can have custom fields for sessions too. So you need something like a session code or an ID, you can have a custom field for that and tie that information to a session. Also, these are the only 10 custom fields you can have, so if you need more, well, good luck. Anyway, let's just set up that favorite dinosaur custom field for our users. All we have to do is type what we want the name of our field to be here. In this case, I'll type favorite dinosaur. This shows exhibitors box ties in with our leads app. Checking it just makes it so that this information is available to exhibitors if they collect a particular attendee's information through our conference leads app. We'll just save it for now. Alright, let's go check out our attendee profiles. And there, boom. Right under custom fields, you'll see that our favorite dinosaur field is now available for use. I'm just gonna put my favorite dinosaur right here. Now, you're probably asking, Tawan, so what? Now we know your favorite dinosaur. What are we gonna do with that information? And that's a great question, guys. Now with that information, you have a good opening topic to start a conversation with me. Just kidding. The good thing about custom fields is that we can do several things with them. If you want to pull a report based on a custom field, you can. You want that information in a custom field displayed on a badge? You can do that. You need information in a custom field on an attendee's transcript or certificate? Done. Custom fields are super flexible, and I'm certain you'll find a way to make use of them at your event. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at conftrack@engineerica.com. I'll answer as long as the Earth hasn't been struck by a meteor. Have a great one.